पहचान कर ले ताकि वह अन्य यात्रियों के सामान से न बदल जाए और सीट पॉकेट ध्यानपूर्वक जांच लें ताकि आपका कोई निजी सामान विमान में न रह जाए। इंडिगो से यात्रा करने के लिए धन्यवाद। आज से फिर मिलने की आशा करते हुए हम विदा लेते हैं। Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have now arrived at Changi Airport, Singapore. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and open the overhead bins carefully once the seatbelt line has been switched on. Do scan your seat pockets to make sure you don't leave any personal belongings behind and double check your baggage before leaving. This will prevent the bags from getting exchanged with the bags of fellow customers. On behalf of Pentago, we wish you a very pleasant stay and a happy onward journey. Thank you for choosing to fly with us.
ST Engineering. Đăng Đài Atal kong Puchung Airport. Sa leno mga kanto. Singapore Airlines. Indigo itu India Airlines. Singapore Airlines itu
Up